Good morning. One more problem that we'll take it here. This is an hemisphere again. Diameter of 50 is resting on a curved surface on the top face of a frustum of a rectangular pyramid. So rectangle pyramid, that you know it here. The bottom is also a rectangle and the top is also a rectangle there of different size there here. So that will be joined. This is called the frustum of a rectangular pyramid. So in this problem it is given the bottom is 80, 60. 80 is the length, 60 is the breadth. So top one it will be 60 is the length and 40 is the breadth there. So height here from the center of the top to this here, from this center to the center, this is 55 is given. 55 is given. So over this, the hemisphere is placed of R25, means the 50 mm diameter. So this is an orthographic projection. If you see from the top there, 80 rectangle that you are going to get, 60-40 rectangle you are going to get, and the circle also you are going to get it here. This is a combination of the top view of the combination of the solid. If you see the front view, the 80 is the bottom, 60 is the top there, joined, this is like this, and the semicircle that you are going to get that here. So let us do it in the grid sheet there. So this is the many times asked in the examination also. It's an easiest thing, you can do it here. So let us start with that first, the horizontal line. You have to judge this total height, it will be the 55 plus this 25, 60 plus 80 it will be this. So sufficient space that you have to keep in your mind, then you have to start. This is length side, this is the breadth side here. This is length side, this will be the breadth side. So length of the bottom portion it will be 80. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this you make it a dark. So this is breadth side here, the rectangle 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. You make it a dark here. So this portion just you make it as a light line because the portion is not going to be seen there here. So you complete that. 80 is the length, 80 is the length, 60 is the breadth, 60 is the breadth. So you take a midpoint of this. 60 means 30 here, 30, 30. So 80 means the 40, 40 here. So where these two lines join, this will become a center. From this center, height is 55 mm is given there here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. So here to here, this it will be the 55 here. This is an ISO 55. So here this is 10 there, half of that. So the midpoint, there's a marking, it will be there. If you join these lines, you will get a 5 mm there. So 55 you will get it. From that center, the top 60-40 rectangle will be coming. Length is 60. So you mark the 30 this side, 30 this side. Means 5 is already there. So the another 10, 20, 25 you take. 25 plus 5, 30. Here also 5 is already there. 10, 20, 25 you take it. This is length side. So breadth side, it's a 40 there. So 5 is already there. 10, 15 you take it. So 5 is already there. 10, 15 there. So you complete this rectangle there here. You see this center to this center, it should be the height of 55 mm. So here this will be the 60. Length 30 this side, 30 this side. Breadth is 40 here. This will be the 20 there. So this point you join to the here. And this edge you join to the here. And this edge you join to the here. So the bottom solid is over. This is the frustum of a rectangular pyramid. 80, 60 at the bottom, 60, 40 at the top there here. So 15 marks that you are going to get. So you have to place an hemisphere exactly similar to the previous problem that here. So from this point, 50 is the diameter. Height is with 25 there here. So this is the 5 is already there. So 10, 20 here. So from this point to this point is a ISO 25 is there. So that point you take. So the 50 is the diameter. Circle is to be drawn. So 10, 20, 25 this side. 10, 20, 25 this side. 10, 20, 25 this side here. Just you make a thin parallelogram. So here you are going to get an ellipse there here. So the 4 center method that you know it here. This is the longer diagonal. Shorter diagonal, these 2 points. So this opposite lines you join the first here. Keeping this as a center, this as a radius, draw an arc here. So I told you compass. Keep this as a center, the R1 as a radius, draw an arc here. Similarly, keep this as a center, shorter diagonal point. This is longer diagonal. So the opposite line, the midpoint of this 25 here, 25 here. Join the line first here, thin line, using a scale only. So keep that as a center, you draw an arc here like this. So where this R1 line, R2 line cuts, this will be the third center. Taking that, you complete the things there. So where this R1 and R2 line, this is the fourth center. Taking this, you complete the ellipse there in this. So now this is the horizontal line, the maximum diameter line. That you take it as a center, this as a radius, you draw a semicircle at the bottom there. So if you draw the bottom there, you are going to get the here like this. So this will not be touching this center point, little below it will be coming, because this is more there here. This is an R25. So here to here center is an ISO 25. 25 into 0.82 that you are going to get. So this will be the ISO 80. This is a breadth side ISO 60. Here it will be going to get. This you have to take it outside and you have to write. This is an ISO 60. This is an ISO 40. Try to avoid writing the dimension inside the drawing. You have to take this outside and you have to draw it here. This is an ISO 25. This is R2 25 there. This edge will come up to this point. This edge will come up to this point here. So that behind portion of the rectangular, this portion is not going to be seen. That is to be deleted there. Sphere and the semicircle is to be drawn with the dark line. This constructional line, that parallelogram what you are drawing, or inside line whatever it will be there, you have to keep very very thin line there in this. All the constructional line you show it there here. So this is the isometric projection of a hemisphere of 50 diameter placed exactly at the center of a frustum of a rectangular pyramid. The bottom is 80-60, top is the 60-40 there. Thank you.